Nothing but drone footage. Let's check it out, see what I got today. All right, so that was shooting with the FREEWELL lens covers. Everything's already charged up. I used 3 batteries today, got some footage. I hope you enjoy. If not, I'm gonna get better. I'll make sure to link it all in. A little bit more smooth with the vlogs, but that's the Evo 2 Pro. From the city to the snow. Hope you like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Better content on the way. Oh yeah, plus I gotta explain a bunch of things. I got a lot of stuff to show you guys. Let's go.